Happy holidays and Merry Christmas from the Proper Patch. And I can't think of a better way to spend Christmas than to open up some new patches. Just like my other super popular and extremely controversial unboxing video, I will list the makers below and give a rough estimate of the value of each patch. Just to let you know, I base all these prices on what I paid for them, what I recently seen them go for, or simply what I think they are worth to me personally. So without further ado, let's dig into some new patches. Just like before, I went through and pre-cut everything so you don't have to watch me do that. And I have no idea which is in each one of these packages. All right, first one. I'm super obsessed with these patches. I've been trying to collect the whole series. These are the Ani masks by Fistful of Wolves. I have a collection of 4 of them right here, and you can see online all the different ones he made. He's got about a dozen of them. They're super detailed, really wicked, have a really cool design. And I think I paid about $190, 100 something, about almost $200 for all 4. So that puts them at about $50 a piece. I think some of them are a little bit more rare than others. But if you do have some to sell, please hit me up. I really love this series. That's the Ani mask by Fistful of Wolves. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is collected these before. I showed them. This is the Dragons by B3v1s Designs. You can see here. Still really beautiful patches. Absolutely love this series. I'm going to start collecting more of them. This is the Infernal Dragon that he released. I think I paid about $75 for it. So I put the value right around there. I see them come up from time to time, and I know he's adding more and more, but they're just a great series. Highly recommend them. Beautiful patches. All right. Naranjo Patches. I actually hit this drop, which I never really do, but these are the Spooky Time version 6 and 7. So you can see here, it's got the little Saw guy in it and the Scream guy for Halloween. So I have a set of these, 2 sets of these. I think I paid, because I got them at the drop, I think I paid like $22 each. So like something like $40 for the set. So I imagine they're worth about, $30 a piece. So pretty cool patches. Still one of my favorite makers. I always try to get them when I can. Okay, here's another Ani mask. This is one of his newest ones. Super weird and wicked. Love this. I think it's called the Gimp mask. And what's really cool about this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually the only patch I've ever seen that's actually stitched on leather, which I think is just an amazing idea. These go, I bought these on the drop. Once again, I got them as one of the ins on the Facebook group, which I never do. But I would say these are easily worth maybe $50, $60 a piece. And I would probably part with it maybe at $75. I think they're going to continue to go up in value because he's just getting even cooler and cooler with the ideas behind him. So Fistful of Wolves. Those guys. Let's see, we got here. Oh, so this is a new maker who I recently just started, collecting some of her stuff. It's Red Ink Patches. She's got a really cool style, different birds, different skulls. I know she has a big kind of horse unicorn series that I think is really cool. This is the bird number 5 from Red Ink. They may actually be in stock. I'm not sure, but I think I paid $30 for this patch, or $25. So not hard to get them, but they're actually just super cool. I really highly recommend you start collecting her stuff. It's got a great aesthetic. All right, let's see. Okay, so this guy is kind of one of my grails. I've been trying to get it for almost 8 months now and finally found one out in the ether. But it's the Triggered Official Thanos patch, which is just a huge patch. Stunning colors, really cool design. I think I paid about $90 for it, or $100. I can't remember, but I really highly recommend Triggered Official. I don't know if I showed them in the last video, but they do some really beautiful work. A lot of characters and things like that, especially like Marvel, and I love collecting that kind of stuff, especially these special ones that are nice and large size. So once again, about $100. This is the Thanos Triggered Official patch. Awesome. So glad I got that guy. Oh, okay. So my boys at Space Dog got the birthday patch. Really wanted this from last time. Finally got a copy of it. I'd say this guy goes for about $45 online. So if you want to get this guy, there's a series. I think there's 2 of them. I have the other one. And then I also got this little guy. I think I bought them together. This is the Space Dog number 1 with the little ice cream cone guy here. And I think I paid about $65 for this. So between the 2, it's about $100 deal. But really cool patches. Space Dog, beautiful, gorgeous colors. Highly recommend their patches as well. Let's see. Oh, okay. So you know how much I love DMT and how much everyone loves DMT. But I did get my hands on a Calvin patch from DMT. This is a part of a series. There's a Hobbs as well. But just like everything DMT, super, super valuable, super hard to come by. The prices of them just continue to come up. I think I paid $75 or $85 for this guy. So I put it right around that value. But everything he comes out with is just, cooler than the last thing. And he's coming out with a lot of Ranger Eye stuff and things like that. So, which are small kind of rubber sized patches. But all of it is just super cool and all in his designs. All right. Let's see what we got here. So I got some Modern Arms. I believe I hit these guys on the drop. These are the, help me out. What are these called again? The Royal Ronins. Yeah. So these guys, I got on the drop. Once again, Modern Arms is still the best out there as far as quality. These guys, I think I paid $20 each for them, $18 each, and the set was like $40. I don't know how limited they are. I haven't really seen too many of them go up for sale, but I wouldn't part with them for any less than like $30 or $40. So these are the Ronin. The Royal Ronins. That's what it's called, Royal Ronins. Okay. Why is that not? Oh, right. Okay. So this guy I've been trying to get forever. I'm not even exactly sure who the maker is. I think it might be Jared Grady. I know I see it on his DMT Facebook group a lot. It pops up with them. I'm not exactly sure who the maker is, but if you guys know who it is, please put it in the comments below. But I've been looking for this guy for a while. It's just a super cool patch. And I think I paid $60 or $70 for it. But it has a lot of the similar aesthetics to what Jared's doing at DMT. So I definitely wanted to get a hold of that guy for a while now. It's the most dope patch. Once again, I have another Redding patches here. Once again, super love the work she's doing. This is the Bird 4. I think I paid $20 for it, so it might be worth around that. But once again, just love the colors, love what she's doing with the product. It's cool. Let's see what else we got. A lot of stuff to open. Oh, okay. Definitely in the Grail category. This is the DMT Yoshi. You can see here. Definitely one of the ones I was trying to get. Has the yellow backing on it, the yellow Velcro. So there's a few Yoshis running around out there. They're all very valuable. Everyone really wants the Yoshi. I think I paid $100 for it. I've put its value at about $125 to $150. I think it would go really quick at that price. But a DMT Yoshi. Oh, great. Another Oni mask. So I think this one's called the Fall Oni. You can see it here. Just really cool colors. This has been sold out for a while. I think I paid $75 for this guy, so he's one of the more valuable ones. But just a really cool patch, super detailed. So that's getting closer to finish my collection. I mean, just look at that stuff on the top, on the corner there. I mean, look at that detail. You can see it, like how detailed is those flowers right there and the bells. I mean, really, really awesome stuff. Jealous, just jealousy. Oh, some of you guys might recognize this guy, the Maggie Street King patch. I had to buy one of these guys back for a friend of mine. They did sell out really, really fast, but this is one of the proper patches. I think I've seen these being sold for like 40, 50 bucks. So if you have one of these guys, hold on to it. There's a lot more Street Kings coming next year, and this is by far one of my favorites. So this is the Maggie Street King. Oh, another red ink patch. Just picked this guy up because I thought it's such a clever idea, and her aesthetic just matches this really well. So this is the elf patch for Christmas. Just a really cool idea. I think these might even still be in stock. I bought it for like 20 bucks. Oh, we still have more to go. Ooh, another DMT patch. Look at that guy, the Hamburglar. I think I paid $60 for it. I'd say it's worth $90. I've seen these things go, more and more for more and more money as of recently. So this is the Hamburger DMT patch. I actually like this one because it's a little smaller than the other ones. So it's kind of, you can use it in a lot more applications. It's pretty cool. Still going. Oh, cool. All right. So these are the Naranjos. These are the Naranjo Pool Time patches. These are the Deadpool characters for Christmas. Really cool design. I think I paid... I think these sold out already, but I think I got these on the drop too, so I only paid $20 each, but I guess they're probably worth $30 each now, so probably $60 for the set. All right, this is another really cool patch maker I've been following for a while. I never really owned one of them, but this is the second round, or the what do you call this? The second brand is the maker, and they make these kind of bullets. All these different characters with bullets, but this one was the rattle can one. So of course I'm going to get it because I just thought anything spray paint I'm going to be all over. But what's really cool about this patch, and I tried to pull this off and I didn't do it very well, but if you can see there, it's got the gold thread. Let's see if I can get it better. But it's got the gold thread in the tooth, so it's really wicked. And I'm going to try to collect more and more of those as time goes on. Well, there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for checking out this video. And as always, the links for the makers can be found below. If you're interested in starting your own patch collection, visit theproperpatch.com where you can see all my patches there. And follow me on Instagram at theproperpatch. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to feature one of your patches on one of these unboxing videos, please hit me up. And everyone have a Merry Christmas, an awesome New Year, and we will see you soon. Proper Patch.